Hi, I'm just trying to start my name is Glory Shashikala, and I'm just trying to start a bookstore, online bookstore, and I'm very excited about it. And I think I'll take you on my journey. And since I'm just starting with YouTube as well, and I have no clue where to do what. I don't know what to do, but I'm just doing it. So I think we'll evolve together and we'll find out where we are going. We're just experimenting. So if you want to buy books, I mean sell books, the first thing to do is to get books, right? So first thing I did was get a small cane bookshelf. It's actually, they say it's a shoe rack or things like that, but I'm going to use it for a bookshelf. I just keep books that I'm going to display. The rest of it is going to be inside. So some books that I'm going to display. So I'm going to arrange it on this cane bookshelf here. And I've made this tiny nook in my bedroom. Like you can see, this is my workspace actually. So you can actually see my computer also. And I have some plants and my water jug, and you can see my water jug, I think. This shelf which I'm going to open now, but I'm going to open it now, so you can see that it's kind of like blocking the view, but that's okay, we'll do that later on. And we'll just see where we're going together, all of us. And I think I'm supposed to say like my channel and subscribe to it. It's not that I haven't uploaded videos before. I've been uploaded and deleted them, and uploaded and deleted them. I'm like part of the baby boomer generation, so this technology is like crazy for me, and my children are faster at it, and even my grandson is faster at it. So I'm just trying to learn right now. And I don't know my visual, I don't know the lighting, and all, I don't know. I'm just going to learn to do this, and I'm sweating profusely because I just had a bath, and I'm going to wipe that away. Mm. Yeah, and let's go ahead and open this cane shelf, and we'll see how it looks. And maybe that will be a review for Amazon. Maybe you would want to buy it. I'll put the link in the description box. Yeah, I've seen people saying that, like, I'm going to put the link in the description box and things like that. So I'm just saying that also now. So we're going to see where this channel goes and how far it goes, and how we're going to sell books, or are we going to sell books, or are we going to just have fun, or whatever it is. And apart from that, I have to tell you about myself. I write a lot. I'm a profuse writer. I write. I'm bringing out a book of short stories, and my main reason for starting this bookstore is to promote my book of short stories, maybe through this channel and through the books. And which reminds me that I have to make a website for my bookstore, which I haven't done. I'm thinking of using blogspot.com, which is a very good site, and for me it's very easy to use. So right now that should do. I don't have to learn anything, a building a website and all. I can just go and use it. It's very easy, and I have a lot of blogs, so that helps also. So I'm going to use that right now. I'm going to use my Google Drive and Blogspot to create website for my books. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut this and open it. I got my scissors ready. I think I'm supposed to say about the packaging. It's been stitched, as you can see. It's been stitched, and it's come in a kind of guinea bag. So yeah, and the bill is still stuck here. So you can see it's stitched here. It's stitched on top, and I'm just cut it with the scissors, and I'm opening it. So yeah, kind of opened it, and I'm going to take it out of the bag, and let's see how it. Dead shelf. I kind of laid it on the ground. Dead shelf. Shut it dead. So yeah, it's lovely. Here you can see it. It's very sturdy, and Let me show you. It's kind of like very sturdy. You can only see my computer, I suppose. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shelves. It's quite a height. I think it's 4 feet something. Quite a. It can hold a lot of books. And see this cute thing here. And that's Jesus. Jesus has been there in our house right when we came here, and I believe he looks or takes care of this room. He's been there, so that's his corner. And my plants, and that's my mason jar, also from Amazon, and that's a kind of a camera holder. That's my water, and sometimes I sip water, sometimes I drink a lot of water because I take a lot of tablets, and for my blood pressure and thyroid and borderline diabetes. And this is my compu, and this is my space, just the space. And of course after that come my bed, which I don't want to show you right now because I kind of thrown stuff on it, and my hair dryer is there. So yeah, this is it, and we'll have a long shot of this. Yes, this is going to hold some books. I do have some books, but they're all my personal books. I will be trying to buy some books, but I'm going to buy little books, few books, so that I can see where this is going. Yeah, this is just great. My slipper, that was my foot. Good God. Okay, then take care. Bye, and like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll find the product link in the description box. And I think I've done quite a good job with my first video, official bookstore video. The name of my bookstore is Glory's Bookstore. Please do keep in touch with my channel so that you can see where it goes and we can have fun. There's going to be some giveaways and all, and I like reading Mills and Boons, and I like reading classics, and I like reading Agatha Christie's and Perry Masons and James Herriot's and Gerald Durrell's. I might end up not selling any books, just keeping them very greedily and reading them. So yeah, take care, and I'm going to turn it around. Yeah, okay, bye, see you.